Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul. I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in a while, and I think I have a good amount of stuff. The first thing that I wanted to show you guys was kind of for a video idea. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to follow through with the idea, but I purchased a ton of makeup. I wanted to try the Dollar Tree Challenge. If you haven't seen the Dollar Tree Challenge, just do a quick search. This has been going on for many, many years. There's been like actual makeup gurus that have tried this, and of course our Dollar Tree DIYers have tried this as well. So my makeup skills are pretty basic, so I wanted to try it out to see if me with basic skills can get it to work. So let me go ahead and show you what I purchased. I finally found the liquid lipsticks that everyone has been raving about, and honestly, they're pretty good. I actually gifted some to my sister, and she only wears high-end, and she was pretty impressed at how long these stay. I tried them out already and I was pretty impressed. I actually needed quite a few makeup wipes to get them off of my lips, so these are long lasting and pretty amazing. They come in 5 different shades, and all of the shades are very pretty. They're not all really nice for my skin tone, but I really do enjoy the shades that they come in. For face, they really don't have a big variety of shades. So for foundation, I picked up the color Tan and Natural, and I was thinking of maybe mixing these two up and seeing if maybe I come up with my skin tone. We'll see how that works out if I do the video. I've been on the hunt forever and I finally found concealer, so this is pretty cool. Like I said, they don't really have a ton of shades, so I'm gonna see if beige works. If not, then I purchased this pressed powder in Tan, and like I said, if I do the video, I will comment on the quality of all of this makeup. I know a lot of Dollar Tree makeup is either hit or miss, and I'm pretty certain that in this pile there has to be some really amazing stuff. I also got these eyebrow pencils. I really do like using pencils for my eyebrows. I'm not exactly the fleekiest of brows.
Eyebrows on fleek.
So we'll see how this goes. I got this black eyeliner, and I think I've purchased this before and wasn't too mad at it. Also got some mascara, and I did pick up some backup lip products depending on what I can figure out for my eyes. So I have this Color Mates lipstick that also comes with a lip liner. I might just use the lip liner, I'm not sure. And I also have this LA Colors lipstick and lip gloss. I thought the color was very pretty. I also purchased this Benefit lip gloss. Honestly, I've heard mixed reviews on their Benefit product, and I think I purchased a blush way back when and it was not pigmented at all, but I really did like the color of this blush, so I'm hoping this one does work out. For eyes, I purchased this LA Color Eyeshadow Set, and it only brings 3 colors. I'm hoping that it is pigmented. I probably will be on the hunt for some other colors because I can't really come up with much of a look with these 3 colors. And then I also purchased these loose pigments. I love these things. They are super duper bright and pigmented, and I already own it in gold, so I figured maybe I can do something with the pink. The look isn't complete without some eyelashes and eyelash glue, and there has been an eyelash hack going around the internet where if you take a spoolie to this, it actually makes it look like mink lashes, so that's probably what I'll end up doing, and if it works, then that is a big money saver. Now for blush and bronzer, more LA Color products. This one is in the color Toast, and this bronzer is in the color Baked. I do think that their bronzers are pretty good. I'm pretty sure I've tried them before, so I really like the shade of this one right here. And these 2 products were brand spanking new. I saw them hidden behind some lipsticks and thought the packaging was really cute. It is LA Colors Highlight and Bronzer. I actually kind of want to test these out on camera right now. So let's go ahead and swatch this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So maybe not for face. So it literally applies like sand. It's very patchy. Maybe this is not one of the Win products. Let's try the bronzer. Maybe the bronzer's a little better. So the bronzer actually applies pretty nice. It doesn't have that same sand consistency that the highlight does, and I really like the shade, so maybe this is a win for the makeup challenge. So that's it for the makeup stuff. Let me know in the comments below if you do want to see the makeup challenge. If not, that's totally okay too. I'm still excited to see if these products do work out and if they're possibly dupes for anything that's high end. So moving on, I purchased a ton of palm frond stuff.
Stop it. Get some help.
I love these seat cushions. They're really flimsy. I'm not gonna lie and say they're amazing. They are super duper thin, but to add a cute little touch to like your patio set or anything in your home, it's really cute. This is one of the cutest patterns that I've seen at Dollar Tree in a really long time. They also have the dish drying mat to match, and I love their dish drying mats. At Walmart, I purchased one without knowing that they had these, and it was about $4 for the exact same size, and these are so cute. They also have matching kitchen towels. Again, I really love the palm fronds. They had oven mitts as well and other things, but I just thought that that would be a little too much. But this is so cute to put together for a little gift, especially if you know somebody like me that loves the tropical stuff. Speaking of tropical stuff, check out this cute little bag. I think this is so adorable. You guys already know how I feel about pineapples. So this has the really cute black and white stripes, which reminds me of Betsy Johnson, and then the beautiful pineapple. The best thing is that the print is both front and back, so you don't have to worry about it being only on one side. A lot of Dollar Tree stuff is like that. I don't know why, especially their gift bags. So I really love this. I had to purchase the inflatable little palm frond. I'll probably just put it in the background. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to film all of my videos here, but this is actually the most comfortable spot for me right now. So maybe I'll put a little palm frond in the background so you have something to look at. But I thought these were so cute and so worth it, and I've used them before in videos. If you look at the video where I redid the t-shirts,
Moving around a lot.
I used this as a prop and loved it. Another thing that I thought was adorable was this world map. The colors are so pretty, and every time that I see new decals, I think that they're really stepping their game up. If you go anywhere else to buy decals, they're like $15, $20. So this is really cute for a classroom, or if you have a nautical theme going on, this is beautiful. I purchased the Amopé pedicure system. I had to. This is one of those things where I probably will get use out of it. I've mentioned it in a ton of hauls before. I don't like buying things that I'm never going to use, which is why I do the shop with me videos, but I have a feeling that I am going to be using this, especially since I hate going places to get pedicures. I'd rather do them at home. I'm super ticklish, and I swear to you, I've almost kicked somebody in the face probably a good 5 times, so had to purchase this. I finally found the beautiful pink stationery. This is so cute. It has little pineapples, an elephant. This is just beautiful if you like scrapbooking or just about anything. If you have a kid in middle school or elementary school, this is a really good gift. They also have these little notebooks. If you've been watching my hauls for a while, you know that I get use out of these notebooks. I got this pattern, Be Happy, Be You, this little pineapple notepad. And aside from that collection, I did purchase very pretty notebooks. This one says Live Your Life in Color, and it's got a beautiful giraffe on it. I think it's so pretty. And like I said, to make little baskets or little personalized gifts for people, these are the best. Then I found this one that says Free Spirit, and this is actually hard, so this is pretty nice. And then this one that says Hello Beautiful Day. These little stickers are so cute and up my alley. They just look so adorable. And you don't have to use it for scrapbooking. You can use it for so many things. Speaking of which, these iron-on patches can be used for so much. If you saw my shop with me, you saw all of the patterns that they had. These were my favorite, which is the Good Vibes, Bad Habits totally me. Then there is the little cool kitty and it says whatever. Thought that was super adorable. And this one, of course, is my favorite with the cactus and the little wow. So I think this can be used for so many things. So right now I'm wearing my hair straight, but when I do have my curly hair, I love doing a top knot with these little twisters. It prevents me from getting that demarcation line from the scrunchie, and it doesn't tangle at all. And this brings 4 scrunchies and a little twister. This is a nice buy, plus it's a really pretty soft pink. This is so unbelievably useful. This is a jewelry repair kit, and it comes with a pair of pliers, 6 lobster claws, 16 disc backs, 40 rubber backs, and 40 jump rings. So this is really cool if you lose the back of your earring a whole lot, or any time that you have a bracelet where the little charms fall off. This is perfect. I purchased the Impress nails. Now at Walgreens and Walmart, these range from $6.99 to $7.99. So this is a really, really good buy. The patterns are very, very pretty. I guess they just send over the patterns that are out of season, because I remember seeing this one at Walgreens. And if you look back at one of my older videos, I actually am wearing this. Now I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I am not a fan of pre-tabbed nails, and that's what Impress nails are. They already come with like glue on them. I don't like them because the glue is never sturdy. It actually pushes back into my cuticle, and I tend to clench my hands a lot, so mine always do move back. Also, I take really hot showers, so most of the time after one day, at the end of the day when I take my shower, they start to pop right off. But I did purchase them because I like wearing them for quick tutorials. It takes me out of a bind. It's why I always do press-on nails, because I hate seeing tutorials when people have crusty nails. It's nothing against them, it's just super duper duper distracting, and I no longer look at the craft, I look at the nails. Another thing I purchased were these Renuzit cones. I love them. They last a pretty long time, and I just figured out how to actually open this. For years I've just been popping them open to where they come all the way up, but you're actually supposed to just pull this up to where the jelly is not exposed but the scent can still come out. I personally still do it the other way, and it still lasts a pretty long time for me. I also purchased this Just Chill sign. I think it's so cute and fits right in to all of this right here, which I probably will just, you know, lightly wedge back here, right there. I just really love it, and every time I see very pretty art, it just makes me happy, so I had to purchase it. For my daughter, I purchased the Sesame Street activity pad. I always buy her coloring books and activity pads, and she absolutely loves them. Every time I pick her up from school, I give her one of these and she has a blast. I finally found the I need coffee sign, and I totally always need coffee.
No coffee and I'm savage.
I'm always so tired. So this spoke so deep into my soul. I purchased it for my little coffee station, and I think it's super cute. Speaking of coffee, I purchased some books for my coffee table. This one is a Brunch Galore book, which has a ton of recipes on the inside. Probably won't follow them, but it's still nice to have on your coffee table so that guests can look at. I also purchased this one called A Beautiful Mess, and it is just really nice photography on the inside and really random things. I just love coffee table books. It gives you something to look at and adds a little bit of height to your table. I love these. So that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul and it gave you plenty of crafting ideas. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see that Dollar Tree makeup challenge, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time.